Hello Technions! Today I am going to give you 10 tips related to group discussion. So you might get a doubt that how do I remember those 10 tips in front of a HR while having my group discussion? So in order to remember those 10 tips, there is a final tip at the end of the video. So I request you to watch this video till the end in order to know the final tip. Your first tip lies in your eye contact. It means that while having your group discussion, you need to maintain your eye contact with each and everyone in that group discussion. You might be having a doubt that whether the HR is watching me or not, he is examining me or not. So you no need to have that doubts because he will be continuously examining you. No need to look at him. If you make an eye contact with the HR, that's it. Your marks are gone. It means that you need to concentrate each and everyone in your group while having your group discussion by making an eye contact. It means that you're paying attention to each and everyone in your group. Your second tip is initiation. In this, you'll start the group discussion before everyone does that. You might get a doubt that in this heavy competition, how do I start a GD? Here is your tip. Before you start your GD, HR will ask, are you ready? Can you start the discussion? Then everyone will be in a mood to say yes, but you should be ready to start the group discussion cause everyone will be busy saying yes sir, but you should make ready yourself in order to initiate the discussion. That fraction of a second will be more than enough for you to initiate your GD and kill all the competition. During an initiation, you should not keep all the points that you have framed in front of the group. Instead, you need to make a brief definition of the topic that was given to the group. Your third tip is transition. In this, you will be in a confused state whether to discuss on the for topic or against to the topic. No problem, because this is not a debate. It is not necessary for you to be always in the first side. You can also switch to the against side if others' points are convincing. If you switch to against, if the other points are convincing, then you might get a positive mark from the HR that you are a candidate who will listen to others and you will accept the others' points. But make sure that you frequently don't switch from for to against to for such that the points of others are convincing. Try to make a switch for to against or against to for only one attempt, because if you frequently switch from for to against, then it might lead to a decision of the HR that he is a confused guy. Soon after hearing others' points, you might get a situation that you need to make a second switch from for to against or against to for. Don't worry. At that situation, try to mention the for points and say that yes, I may agree with you, but there are also some points which are against to that. It shows that you're paying some attention towards the group discussion, and this will add a positive point on your side from the HR. Fourth point is appraisal. In this, you will be trying to praise the others' points. That means that, wow, your point is excellent. By saying that, even though if you don't have any unique ideas, just try to cook up some ideas from the unique points that others have mentioned. For example, if some other person comes with a new idea or a unique point, just try to add up some unique points if you are aware of that point. Praising others will give a good impression over you for the HR. Your fifth tip is leadership. It is nothing but showing your leadership qualities to your HR. You might get a doubt that how do I show my leadership skills during a GD in front of my HR within a span of 20 minutes? Here is your tip. There might be some people in the group discussion who will be hesitating to speak out in the group or who might not get a chance till now to speak in the GD. Point out towards those people and say that I'll be very much pleased if you share your ideas with your group. At that time, you will secure the leadership points from the HR. This leadership quality increases your selection for the next round by 90%. Sixth tip is organization. HR will give you a topic, and post announcement of that topic, you'll be given a span of 5 to 10 minutes in order to build up the points that were to be discussed in the group discussion. Some people, what I have seen is, they will try to build up the points and pen them on the palm or on a paper. But what I'm going to tell you is that just close your eyes for those 5 to 10 minutes and try to organize the points that you are constructed in an sequential order. Now, try to recollect those points for at least 3 times and memorize them as many times as you can within those 5 to 10 minutes. Your seventh tip is management. It means that there might occur a situation in a GD where a dry time comes. Means everyone will stop speaking. Everything will be silent in the group discussion. At that time, try to utilize that opportunity and try to recollect all the points that were mentioned so far. Like, for example, some person X has mentioned some points. Mentioning that person, he has mentioned so and so points, and take some Y person, he has said so far these points. By saying that, HR will think that you're paying some attention to the group discussion and you do remember all the points which were said by all the persons in the group discussion. Your eighth point is interference. It means that there might occur a chaotic situation in your GD such that another person may simultaneously start a point along with you. At that time, don't step back and hesitate to speak out your point. Soon after the end of the collision, that means soon after he stops speaking, just try to apologize him. Sorry for the interruption. Don't forget to apologize him, because if you apologize him, that will be an added advantage in front of the HR. Your ninth tip is unique. While having your GD, try to make up some unique points. For example, try to take some real world examples. Let us take an example of topic women empowerment. If your HR gives you a topic called women empowerment, then make up some examples like Sudha Murthy, who is the founder of Infosys. Not only Sudha Murthy, but also try to make out some examples like Geeta Phogat, Mary Kom, Mithali Raj, Kalpana Chawla, etc. So, before you attempt your GD, try to make sure that you're aware of general knowledge and current affairs. 10th tip is summary or conclusion. If you haven't initiated, don't worry. Here is your chance to make a mark of yourself to the HR. So in this, you will try to summarize or conclude that group discussion. Sometimes it might not be possible because HR might mention or point towards him or her in order to make a conclusion. At that time, be careful and take care that you're not grabbing the opportunity of others, because that will come under the negative mark.
I made a small card of all the 10 tips that you have learned so far. This small card can be kept somewhere in your study room so that you don't forget these 10 tips. But my question here is, can we make a simpler code out of these 10 words or 10 tips so that it will be easy for us to remember? These are the first letters of those 10 Technion tips. Now let me rearrange them to get something useful. Email to us. So these 10 tips for group discussion can be remembered as email to us. Yeah, I believe there are many other ways to rearrange these words to get a meaningful sentence, but email to us is one of them. This is all about group discussion. Thank you for watching, and we would like to make videos like these on careers, training and placements. So let us know in the comment section if you are interested in any specific topic similar to this.